better.
Is it?
Because they're not itchy.
That's good. Don't wash it, okay? Don't wash it with that soap. I think you're allergic to that soap. It's better now. We'll put cream later again. Yes. Yes. Grabe to maghugas ng kamay, di ba? As in, grabe talaga. Ang tagal pa matapos. Feeling namin na sobraan ng hugas, tas allergic siguro siya sa sabon namin dun sa banyo. Kasi nag-ano siya kagabi. Sobrang nag-red siya. Tas parang swollen ng konti.
It wasn't the best day tonight.
Last night? No. Yeah. Because you were in pain.
No, we sleep in the bedtime.
Yeah. At bedtime you sleep.
Hello?
Nakalulipap yung isa kasi nagising ng may lagnat. Kung ano-ano lang binigay kay ni Daddy.
What does a fever mean?
It means you're hot. Your temperature, your body temperature is higher than normal. See, feel his neck. He's hot. It's a little hot. No?
Feel my mom.
You're better. You're really good.
No,
Alright,
feel
go.
it harder.
Oh, yeah, really? Go to the toilet. Take off your jamas.
What about me, Mama?
So you can change. You're a bit hot, mate. But you'll be better because you like drinking medicine. Later, we drink again, okay? Hey! You're the good one. You're the best. Yeah? Oh, you're the best. Sorry, you're the best. I mean, she's not sick. She feels well. That's what I mean. Oh, okay. You both are the best. You're the best. You're the best. Yeah. And Ati is the best. No. Uy, careful with the stick. Careful with the lollipop. Chin, chin, chin. Wide your little mouth. But do not let them in. Yes.
This is baby Alexander.
Galing na ni Ayla mag-drawing. Let me see, Baba. Let me see your drawing. She drew baby Alexandra. Can I see, baby? And she drew Mommy Pig as well and Peppa. Didn't you, babe?
I lost Daddy Pig.
You lost Daddy Pig. That's okay. That's baby Alexandra. Is it Alexandra or Alexander?
Alexander.
A draw? Okay. So it's a baby girl. Alexander?
Alexandra.
Okay. Hindi natin alam. Babae ba yun o lalaki? Sino ba yan? Si Indy daw yan eh. And she drew... Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng mga drawing ng anak ko! This looks like Peppa to me. She's got lipstick on. Is that Peppa?
It looks like a kangaroo pink.
It's a pink.
This is
Oh,
Peppa.
that's Peppa. Well done, Bubbers. Who's that? Oh my
Mommy
God.
Pig.
That's Mommy Pig. Well done, Ayla.
George Pig.
George. Ayla, well
And
done.
Daddy Pig.
You didn't lose Daddy Pig.
Daddy.
Ayla, well done,
I just
Bob.
didn't saw him last night.
Yeah. It's 8:21. Maya-maya lang alis na yan sila. Yeah, para matapos ko na yung box, guys. Yung pick up ng box is 2:30 to 5:30. So, depende kung ano silang oras dumating ba yan. Is that
pajamas?
Yes, just say yes.
Yes.
He's got bedtime pajamas under.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi nag-jacket din siya. Hindi naman siya kasama. Oh. Kasi naka-jacket na si Ayla. Ang lamig nga, di ba? Feeling ko nga, kaya ito nilagnat. Sobrang lamig kahapon. Huh? Do you wanna close it? You're staying inside though. You're gonna be hot. The heater is on. Ang ganda ng jacket mo. Yan yung nabili natin sa Skechers.
Gymnastics. Sorry? No, you stay here, because... No. Because later we're going to go swimming. I need you to get... You're still a little bit sick, Carlo.
Pa-music man, Indy! Sound trip man, Indy! They're your friends? Uy! What? Come here. Kuya, I think she wants to follow you, Kuya. Go on your excavator. She wants to follow you. Yeah. Do you want me to put you to sleep? Sige, tulog ka na, Kaw. Para makapag-box si Mami. Good night, Kuya. Good night to Kuy. Sound trip man hindi. Gara, sound trip man. Oh. Okay na. Let's go sleep. It lights up, oh. It's cool. Yes. Let's go. Alo, I'll just put her to sleep, okay? Hindi! Let's do this habang tulog pa si Indy. Nandito yung mga nabili natin sa outlet nung... Kailan ba tayo pumunta? Wednesday? I don't remember. But yeah, this week. Ito yung pinick up ko sa Big W kahapon. Yan lahat for the box. Para sa mga ano ko yan. Inaanak na mga pamangkin ko. And this one is for my kids naman. So nagpunta tayo ng Zara, diba? Nung linggo. Last linggo pa. We got this, guys. Boots for Ayla. So meron siyang boots ngayon na from Kmart. And that one works really well. It lights up. It's good quality as well. But this one we saw naka-sale siya from $76 down to $46 na lang for Ayla. Ang cute, diba? Tinry niya doon and maganda siya. And then ito din, yung binili naming dress. Kasi yun yung kulang sa kanya. Okay na siya sa mga tracksuit for winter. But kapag like nag-dinner sa labas, yun yung kulang niya, yung mga winter dresses. So I got her this and mag-tights lang siya and wear these boots. And she's good. And then, I ordered again from Cotton On. Kasi meron na silang mga towels na available na ibang print, ibang kulay. So, nag-order ako for Arlo. Kasi si Ayla meron na, diba? If you watch my last haul na I featured Cotton On, nag-order ako sa kanila to get Ayla's towel. Yung hooded towel na long sleeve na zip up na towel. And Ayla uses it all the time. Meron silang blue na to. And I think meron silang maraming kulay na to. I got the red. Pwede siyang gamitin ni Arlo and ni Indy kapag lumaki na si Indy. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Long sleeve siya, tapos hooded siya, and then zip up din siya. So, ang dali-dali niya lang, guys. This one you can customize as well. Pwede niyong palagyan ng pangalan. Cotton On will do it for you for an additional price, of course. But, okay na ako sa ganito kasi hindi naman sila magkapareho ng kulay. Iniisip ko din para magamit nga din ni Indy in the future. So, I got the size 2 to 4. And gagamitin niya ni Arlo mamaya. And then, para maka-free shipping ako, kasi nga kailangan mong umabot ng $70 ata yun, nag-add na lang ako ng mga items. So, yan. Mga ka-same color palette pala to. Swimwear for Arlo. He doesn't need it right now. I got the size 3. So, ano na to? Next summer na to. Ayan. Swimming shorts. But ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Kasi diba last time, in-orderan ko siya ng swimming top na brown na kulay. So, ito yung pambaba. Ang ganda. Size 3 din to. Kasi nga for future pa. Hindi pa to kasya sa kanya ngayon. Alright. Now, here. Ito, kailangan ko tong i-label. So, kuha lang ako ng marker. So, i-label ko na siya habang nag-haul tayo. Unahin natin yung mga namahin natin talaga. Nabili natin sa outlet. So, I got one shoes from Skechers. Maganda yung deal sa Skechers, guys. Kaya lang, wala talaga. Limited yung sizes. So, ito para sa inaanak. Inaanak ko ba yun? Hindi ko alam, guys. Pamangkin ko. Meron akong sure na inaanak yung anak nung cousin ko na nagne-nails. Pero meron din akong inaanak sa isa ko pang cousin. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan dun sa mga batang yun. But anyway, binilhan ko na lahat ng mga anak nila. Shoes. Doon natin to nabili sa District Outlet. Ilagay ko na lang siguro sa box, no? Ano bang spelling ng pangalan ng batang yun? Ito para sa ano ko, inaanak ko. Yung isa dito para sa inaanak ko. Yung isa sa mga boys. Kasi iba-ibang sizes to eh. He said he's a large. Tommy na top. And, another Tommy one. I got 2 larges actually. Another Tommy one. Baka ibigay ko na lang sa kanya tong dalawa. Kasi may time pa naman akong bilhan ng mga boys. Yeah. So, lagyan ko yan ng label na para sa kanya. Ay, tapos ngayon iniisip ko yung pinsan ko, wala. Kasya to sa yudong? Parang ang laki. Large. Siya nagsabi, large daw siya. And then, ito para sa kanya din. Ay, parang marami sa kanya. But, siya talaga yung inaanak ko. Siya talaga yung inaanak ko. Naalam ko. Ang ganda nito. I got him shoes from New Balance. Oh, 3 to 7 ka, Dong. Ikaw na talaga ang may 3 to 7. Ganda naman ang kulay, diba? Pang ano niya, pang casual, pang PE. Ikaw na talaga may pang PE, Dong. And then, dito na tayo sa Big W. Mind you, itong lahat ng to kailangan kong gawin in like 3 days lang. So, 3 araw lang ako meron, guys. Actually, 2 araw lang. 2 araw lang ako na pwedeng lumabas ng time na yun. Kasi Thursday, meron ganap dito sa bahay. Hindi ako pwedeng umalis. So, Wednesday lang at saka Friday. Wednesday, kasi Wednesday yung school ni Ayla. So, meaning wala si Ayla sa bahay. Monday, Tuesday kasi meron kasi akong 3 bata. And ang hirap lumabas para mag-shopping ng mga ganito. So, I did all this in just 2 days. Tapos may 2 bata pa yan. May Indy at may Arlo pa yan. Anyway, this one, I ordered online. Tapos pinick up ko na lang siya sa Big W. Kasi inisip ko, hindi ko talaga kayang pumunta doon and mag-shopping doon. Maghanap ng mga sizes. Ang hirap. Ang hirap maghanap ng mga sizes. Tapos, hindi lang kasi yun yung iniisip mo. Maghanap ka ng mga sizes. Yung size na to pang babae ba o pang lalaki? Tapos may size na naman pang babae ba? Ang dami. I got these shoes. Ayan o, pang casual. Ang ganda, diba? Big W to. Sa Big W kasi nakakahanap ako ng mga magagandang shoes. Doon ko nga nabili yung mga shoes na pinapasuot ko kay Ayla. Magaan, maganda yung quality. So, I got this. Hindi ko na alam kung para kanino to. Basta sa mga anak ng pinsan ko to. This, isa-sort out ko yung mga sizes mamaya. Diba? Ang ganda. I think tigda-2 shoes sila. Yung mga bata, tigda-2 shoes. I got this one as well. Tingnan nyo yan. Ang cute, diba? Ito ang cute din. Ay, para kay Dudong Kyle. Parang ang laki. Ganito na kalaki yung paa ni Dudong. Yung bunso ng aking pinsan na gumagawa ng nails. Cute o, parang samba. Pang casual. Ang cute, diba? Ito I got for Ingay. Parang ang laki. But sinunod ko lang yung sinabi nila. It's very confusing because sa Pilipinas, 30-something parang euro sizes yung sizes natin dyan, diba? I'm not sure, but yeah. Like yung mga sinasabi nila is 36, 37, mga ganun yung size. Dito mga US kami, US size. 5, 6, ganun. So, buti na lang yung website merong conversion. But I'm not sure how accurate it is. Kasi parang lalaki. Anyway, I got this iridescent shoes. Okay, let's go. Parang ang laki. Oh my goodness. And then, ito yung binili kong school shoes para kay Dudong. See? So, ito yung size. Yeah, meron akong gustong-gusto sa Target, guys. Kaya lang hindi siya available. Yan yung school shoes. So, tingnan natin yung size comparison. I don't know. It's really tricky, the sizes. It's the same. That looks good, no? Maganda yung shoes, no? Yung nakita ko kasi sa Target, mas pointy pa dyan. Parang mas pointy, mas cute. But wala. Ang hirap. Hindi available. And then, sandals for Inday. Parang laki. Or maliit lang talaga ako. Tsaka maliit pa yung mga anak ko, no? Kaya, naisip ko ang laki ng lahat. Anyway. Alright, now I have to label everything before natin siya ilagay sa box.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, tomorrow, there's no as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.
Tapos ko na mag-pack lahat and kulang naman ako ngayon. But I'm pretty sure I can find like stuff in the house to give away para mapuno to. But look at this. So meron pa akong yan. Yan. Ito ilalagay ko sa ano na, pinakataas. Nandiyan na yung ano, blow up bed. So maghanap tayo sa taas ng mga ilalagay natin doon. Ay! Maulan sa labas. Dito tayo sa kwarto ng kids. Maghanap tayo dito. Where are you going? Oh, guys. Hi. Yeah. You see the guys? It's them. Say hi. Hello. Hey. Mommy did it. I did it. Napuno ko, guys. Malapit na ako matapos isang ano na lang. Isang ganunan ng tape and then tapos na ako, but someone's awake. Someone is awake. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, boom, boom. Ang init. Someone is awake. Someone is awake. Di ba ayaw magpa? Do you wanna go to your walker? Yes? Say bye, guys. I'm gonna walk, okay? I'm gonna go for a walk. Okay, let's go. Now. Walkie. You're not a baby. Alright, tapusin na natin to kasi ay, nung magsiswimming sila mamaya. Ipe-prepare ko na naman. Why? Can mommy finish this?
And when I feel the wind on my face,
What's wrong? Hey! Why? Let me see teeth. Let me see teeth. Careful, Apple.
See, I'm sorry.
Put it back, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, just put it there. Don't touch it, mate. Thank you.
Help me this?
You want to help me?
Yes.
I know. I wish you can help me.
Okay. I thought this. You thought is it too much?
No, that's not too much. That's good. That looks good to me. What do you want? What do you want?
I'm not tired.
Sure, you can cut it. Just be careful.
Okay.
Do you know how to cut? Whoa! Thank you for helping.
I like it a bit.
You did it. You did a little bit. Thank you.
Can you help? Are you happy with me?
I am happy with you.
Put it over.
Aw. Okay, put it over there. Oh, look! I got you a new towel. Look, the red one on the floor. Go get it. I'll show you. See? For swimming. What? Go get it. Get it. You try it on. It's your towel. It's Kuya's.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
It must smell like velvet.
Oh, you're the best boo boy in the whole wide world.
Mama, take it off.
Let's play. Come on. Where is Kuya? Where is Kuya? Peekaboo boo. Where's Kuya's toy? I know. Look. What? Alright, let me finish while she's happy. Okay, I'll let you cut it. I'll let you cut it. Come on. hurry up. Yeah. Wait, this way. Cut it. This way. Come on. Hurry up here. Well, Amy's happy. Come on, cut it. Good boy. Ready na silang dalawa mag-swimming. Naka-swimming outfit na. How are you gonna swim? Show me. Oh, like that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Daddy will help you, yes. Oh, you're so tall, baby. Careful, guys. That's enough. Ayan. Papunta na silang Pilipinas, guys. Kunin lang ni Kuya yung ano niya, trolley. Let's go! Ang dami nang nangyari, guys. Nakuha na ni Kuya yung box. Umalis na yan si Dan. Iniwan niya ako with the kids. May minute siyang kliyente. Sabado. But yeah. Gabi na. Ay, naglamig! Sobrang lamig. As in, winter na talaga, day. We will get food. Oh my gosh. Take away kami. Pizza kay Daddy. Nando's for me.
So I'm going to watch a bit of footy tonight, guys. Port's playing at 7 and we're going to get smashed.
I hope we win.
I hope we win too. We might win. We're playing Sydney, GWS.
Because we might lose.
We're meant to lose. We're not. They think we're going to lose, but we never know. Anything can happen.
So, pita bread.
Yeah, they can have a bit of garlic bread as well. That's got garlic bread. Do you guys want a bit of Coke tonight?
What? Do you guys want mac and cheese?
I just want a burger.
Huh?
I want a burger.
You're not going to eat a burger.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You don't eat burgers.
Yes, I do.
I'll make you a deal. Once you start eating cheeseburgers, we'll get you burgers. The first burger you got to eat is a cheeseburger from McDonald's.
What?
I'll make you a deal, Isla. I'll get you a cheeseburger this weekend.
Where do you want to go?
North Park Shopping Centre.
One option is North Park Shopping Centre on Portrush Road.
So, chicken, thigh part with chips.
I'll get you in and get it, yeah.
And then, spicy rice and pita bread. They don't have my broccoli.
Why did I not have your broccoli?
I'll try again. I'll search it.
Why did I not have your broccoli?
I don't know. Not this time. My bum is hot.
Why is your bum?
Our seat is heated.
Our seats got heaters on it, Isla. The front two seats have heaters.
Theirs have as well, but they just can't feel it.
Yeah. Yours got heaters too, but since you guys have baby chairs or kids,
These are the baby.
oh no, sorry, I mean big girls chairs, then yeah, and big boys chairs, then you can't feel the heater.
Yes, I can.
Can you?
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Give me a first meter. You Peter.
Alright. Oh. That was free.
What? That order?
Yeah.
Mommy.
How come?
I used my
Mommy.
perks.
Mommy.
So if you order from them, you get all these points.
Yeah.
And I use my points.
Mommy.
It's good.
Huh?
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
I don't want
I got free dinner.
Aeroplane, Arlo, at the window. Look, aeroplane.
Huh. I got Perry Perks points I used. How cool is that? And you get $15 birthday voucher every year. I didn't even know.
Yes, Eileen.
at McDonald's, and we opened them and they had chips, and they're really cool. When we open the middle, the bottom part, you can get a surprise.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw it on when I was watching.
One of your videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was really cool. And you can put it on your computer.
Oh, okay, that'd be cool.
Daddy,
Hello?
are you opening the door?
Open the door?
Don't.
Nope. It's not safe. It's not.
Yeah, because you don't like open the door and you'll see about my break and you might.
And you fall out and you get run over.
You're not Sigma boy.
Sigma boy?
Yeah.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigmas. Oh my goodness, look at Daddy. You made a mess of my steering wheel.
It's so funny. I don't call
4
him.
minutes.
I don't call him.
Nah, it's okay. It doesn't really matter. We'll wipe it. Itong pizza ni Daddy, apakatagal. That's what he got. And then, sana fight to, hindi ko chinek. But, nag-leave ako ng note. Hope it said. Yes! Tadaan!